Many humans are looking up to the stars for assistance, for connection, and for confirmation, and we will definitely get all the help and support from our galactic family. We have so much to look forward to here on Earth, so please do not get discouraged by what we're seeing right now. It is going to get better here because so many beings and collectives out there and up there are keeping a close eye on Earth and humanity, supporting and assisting us with our ascension. The audio you're about to listen to is an energetic transmission from the collective consciousness of the 12th dimensional Andromedans. It was received by Oribel Joy Divine, a telepathic communicator. Take what resonates, and leave the rest. Please, enjoy.
There is going to be a lot of turmoil as the Earth changes and as humanity shifts, yet once again, in consciousness. You must understand that the changes are happening incrementally, and not all at once. And, there will be many who are unprepared as they are still unawakened. So use your energy, the ones who are awakened, to hold space for those who need to balance their energies. Stay calm for the planet. Stay balanced for humanity. Be in joy to help raise the frequency of the planet. Stay centered in your heart space. You'll receive the guidance you need on what to do next. Stay strong of mind, body, and spirit during this time of transition. Meditate, go within, listen for guidance, use positive affirmations to vibrate higher frequencies. In short, do whatever it takes to maintain your balance. Do not get influenced by external forces. You have awakened earlier for good reasons. To be the example for others to follow by living from inside out. Focus on your heart center where your true balance comes from. Seek the energies from within you, and help others who are unbalanced. This is the time to practice your mastery. Focus on your higher attributes. And be the center of the storm where it is the most calm and hold that energy. And you'll be doing the best thing for humanity. That's all for now. Adonai.